This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Diane Cupid. Pretty as a picture. Beautiful home that is as close to new construction as possible. The home features a very open and airy floor plan. High tray ceilings, new flooring throughout, and freshly painted. The kitchen features quartz countertops, ceramic backsplash, and brand new stainless steel appliances. The home features 3 nice-sized bedrooms plus a bonus room that could be used as a bedroom, home office, or nursery. The coffee station is an added bonus for the family on the run. Grab the coffee as you head out. His and her bedroom suite features a beautiful tray ceiling and a luxurious bath with a new double sink vanity, whirlpool tub, and separate shower. Covered back porch and a friendly, fenced backyard for extra privacy. This is a must-see home. And it will qualify for all types of financing. For more information, review the details below.